Hi there, my name is Danny Belton. I'm Head of Lender Relationships at Legal & General Mortgage Club. I wanted to talk to you today about the recent report that's come from Pepper Money around adverse credit and lending. I think it's really important that we engage with our consumers and customers to understand how they are feeling, what is important to them, what is their perception of being able to borrow, to be able to gain a mortgage, and how they're feeling within themselves, their income, their potential affordability, and potentially where it may highlight opportunities for advisors and brokers alike. Reading through this report, I think there's a lot of interesting facts in there, but the ones I pull out that are probably most pertinent are the fact that we're now showing that just over 1 million people are affected by adverse credit, and this seems to have come down compared to where we were only a few months ago. Is this a positive sign? Is it not? I think on one hand it is. I think people certainly through COVID have potentially been able to save money. Those customers that have taken a payment holiday have maybe sort of kept hold of that money or found other ways to better utilise it to potentially pay off any debts. Other customers though, which we need to be cognizant of, may have struggled through this period of time. So actually, on the other hand, I do think this number is potentially a little bit lower than expected. I do see more customers having some form of difficulty, maybe missing a payment through the COVID time as income has become harder for some. And that will lead for a greater need for access to lenders such as Pepper and others within the specialist lending field. The other key point I've drawn out from this is that there is a real need for advice. The sentiment that a number of customers feel that they cannot get a mortgage, they do not feel the options are available, or through these economic times, availability to lending has become a lot tougher than we potentially expected. The role of the advisor, though, is one that can really come to the fore with these customers. We know that the specialist lending market did actually sort of withdraw through COVID for justifiable reasons, but now all the lenders are back. They are firing on all cylinders. They're offering some great products and great opportunities. But these lenders are names that the customer on the high street won't know about. They won't have heard of, or are really unlikely to have been to be heard of. And this is where the role of advisors really come to the fore. There is a great opportunity to contact customers, certainly, all the way through COVID and now as we reach the other side, to actually say, hi, how are you? How do you find your circumstances? What are your difficulties? Do you need some help with finances? Because actually there are some great opportunities there. And if we can convey those messages to customers and actually show we're there for them, it will open up a number of discussions and actually make customers less fearful and less concerned that there aren't opportunities available. Through the work that advisors do to really understand the customer story and the customer needs and where they want to go in the future, the advisors are really best placed to take advantage of right this business and make sure that the customers get the best deals going forward. So I would ask any advisor watching this to really sort of look to themselves, to communicate with the customers, to actually say, yes, we understand there have been some challenges, but absolutely yes, we are here to help. And there are good mortgage products through good lenders available to you today. So thank you for watching this. I hope it's given you insight. Thank you very much to Pepper for putting this report together. I look forward to the next one to see how things have changed. But let's really embrace what the messaging is saying here. A lot of customers need some help. There are a lot of customers that definitely need advice, and we're in the best place that we possibly could be to help them. Goodbye.